the Arrecife Gran Hotel Spa, famous for being the highest building in Lanzarote, with 17 floors and amazing views. Come and join me for my unscheduled and unexpected stay at this wonderful 5-star hotel.
Don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Well, I thought at this point I'd be tucked up safely in bed having left Lanzarote, but things didn't quite work out that way. The plane was grounded owing to the clima that happened just as we were leaving. TUI put the whole of the plane up in the Arrecife Gran Hotel, so I thought I'd share it with you. It's a very lovely hotel, so come on, let's have a look around. I am going to show you my room shortly and let you know the usual price of the room that I was allocated. The hotel is right in the capital of Arrecife, next to the lovely white sands of El Reducto beach. It's only 7 minutes from the airport, so we had a very fast transfer from the airport to the hotel. The speed at which we were processed ended there, as the queue to check in took more than an hour to deal with around only 20 people. The problem was, as of December the 2nd, 24, when checking into any hotel in Spain, you have to fill out a form. It's known as the traveller registration form, and this seemed to take them ages. Thankfully, things did improve following the post-check-in experience, so on to the rest of the hotel. The hotel's known for its marvellous views from its 17th floor restaurant. Other facilities are the spa and swimming pool. There are 160 rooms. All rooms have aircon, satellite TV, mini bars and Wi-Fi. So let me show you my amazing room. The room that I was allocated was a standard sea view room, and also TUI paid for an evening meal, a breakfast and non-alcoholic drinks. We were also allocated some vouchers via the app on TUI for lunch, which basically really wasn't enough to buy very much. I think I got a bag of crisps and 2 bottles of water, and that was it that covered the voucher. When I got to my room, there was this food on the table. It was enough food for a whole meal. There was meats, cheeses, a pasta salad, a roll and a chocolate dessert as well. None of the other delayed passengers on our plane received extra food in their rooms, so it was a bit of a mystery why I got it. The room was exceedingly comfortable. Both the beds and the sofa made the room feel pleasant and relaxing. The large TV had many English language channels, and it was also the place used to give you hotel information, such as restaurant and spa opening times. But I think the highlight of the room was the beautiful bathroom. Fully covered in brown and cream marble, it had a very luxurious feel. There was a full-sized bath that was absolutely spotlessly clean, and I did end up having a bath in there, which I don't usually do in hotels because I don't usually find that the baths are very clean. But this one was the exception. The bath towels were extra large bath sheets, all adding to the luxurious feel. And there's a shower above the bath if you prefer. There were creams and lotions, a good hairdryer, and 2 luxurious large-sized bathrobes with slippers. What luxury! A kettle, some tea and coffee, and also a bottle of water complete all of the facilities in the room. I was surprised to wake up to this amazing view the next day. The weather was still really grim, the clima was in full force, and you could taste the sand and dirt in the air. My favourite spot in the hotel was La Buena Vida restaurant on floor 2, with a long glass enclosed balcony and expansive views across El Reducto beach. It felt really exclusive, and the glass on the balcony protected you even from the clima winds that were out in force that day. One treasure not to miss if you stay here is El Islote de Femina. Take a 2-minute stroll to the island, restored in 2023, originally designed by Lanzarote's famous artist Manrique. Friday nights, there's free entry to electronic music, and there's cocktails and food available 8 till 11. Otherwise it's open 10 till 5 if you take a little stroll there. The food in this bar was delicious and the service was exceptional. It's a bit pricey as you would expect. Salad at €10, mains at 13 to 15 euros, and French fries at €5. But take a look at this pool and the beautiful location. I just love the hanging chair above the pool. I bet that would be fun. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel, Canaries with Karen, you'll get to see my new videos as soon as they come out. It's also free and helps out my channel. So please click the button below to subscribe and see videos as soon as they come out. It's much appreciated. Thank you. And now on to the main restaurant briefly. Evening meals and breakfast are served here, and it's quite small, and the restaurant was very full. They served the usual fodder and I didn't find it particularly amazing, but the views are very good. I also got a very offhand and snobby telling off for having the audacity to collect a bottle of water from the breakfast buffet and put it on my own breakfast table, and the bottle was quickly snatched away at lightning speed by the maitre d'. Above reception there's a piano bar. This gentleman was informally playing, but sadly the bar was closed at the time I was there. So now, what does it cost to stay here? For my room, which was a double room with sea view, it would have cost in early December £162 with breakfast, or £221 with dinner. So there you have it, the Gran Arrecife Hotel and Spa in Arrecife, Lanzarote. I had to dash for my flight, so I didn't make an outro, so I'll leave you with the fleeting glimpse of the tail end of the clima. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.